Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the charming town of Renewscapahaden, nestled on Newfoundland's southern shore, about 83 kilometers south of St. John's. This small fishing community is rich in history and natural beauty. For nature enthusiasts, Renewscapahaden offers stunning landscapes. The East Coast Trail passes through this area. Along this trail, you can discover shipwrecks, abandoned communities, birdwatching spots, lighthouses, and even a colonial gun battery. Renewscapahaden may be small, but it's a community with a big heart, and a rich tapestry of history and natural wonders waiting to be explored. Whether you're hiking along its scenic trails, delving into its past, or simply enjoying the coastal views, there's something here for everyone.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!